Supposed to be sunny and 70. Sunny and 70. The weatherman must be a Democrat. Nope, I ain't riding until the clouds go away and the sun comes out and it gets warm up. Okay, we are back home from the vets. $600 later. And this one didn't even go to the vet. He's not due for his shots for another couple of months. $600 for the shots for a dog. I'll tell you what, it is expensive taking care of animals. So we're home, and I'm drinking a cup of coffee, and I'm fixing to take all these apart and get a good look at them. And I'm thinking about trying my super glue finish on this knife and this knife. They're both bird's eye maple, and they're not stabilized. This is stabilized, that's stabilized. Okay, no, this is stabilized. That is stabilized walnut. This is not stabilized, but it's an extremely hard wood that has a lot of oil in it, and it polishes up really pretty. So the bird's eye maples, these two, I'm thinking about going ahead and trying my CA finish on these. And if I screw it up, I'll just sand it down and use my true oil, because I know how to do true oil. And 4 or 5 coats of true oil and they're pretty. But not as pretty as the finishes I've seen with CA glue. So let me get my coffee down me, and I'll get these open, unwrapped, put the pins on the bandsaw, cut them off, and get them cleaned up. Yeah, just a little messy. Just a little messy. That's the router that does that. Alrighty. I got them shaped, basically. That's the basic shape. Now I need to put this on my, not this one, because this is not that much extra. But this one I can put on my bandsaw and knock it off even with the side of the handle. Same thing with this. And yep, this too. And this. All right, got a heck of a good start. Let me take another little break, pet my dog, and then get on the bandsaw. All right, this is where the real hard work begins. I've got them all machined up as high as I can get them without, damaging them or sending them too far. That's Abel's. Jim Nicholas. This one and this one. This is Everett's. And this is Red's. All right, now the work begins. I think I'm going to start with the easiest one first. It's not stabilized, and I can get that done pretty quick. And then I'll do the walnut. It is stabilized, but that doesn't need a lot of shaping. And then I just do the 3 dinner skinners first. And I may not get to these today, but I think I can actually get these up to buffing or finishing. See, I'm going to put some True Oil on this and buff these too. And I think I can get these to that point today if I hurry. Well, not hurry, but you know, if I stop taking breaks and petting my dog and drinking coffee. Okay, there's still plenty of day left. I am going to get these sanded up to the very first grit, which is 180. Here's what we're looking like. And I'm liking it. This African Blackwood, this is some beautiful stuff. And I'm going to start ordering more and using more of it. It sands nice. It got beautiful grain. And when you buff this up, it buffs up just beautiful. And here is the stabilized walnut. That's going to be some beautiful wood. This is Abel's. Okay, so I got 3, and it's the hardest grit. It's the hardest work you do to go from the belt to hand sanding. And I got these 3 finished to 180 from the belt to hand sanding. And that went quicker than I thought. So I'm going to have time to do these 2 from the belt to hand sanding. And it's going to be a little easier because I was able to whittle just a little bit using my small belt grinder, the 1-inch belt grinder right there. Same with this. So, and this has some African Blackwood liners, and I like that a lot. That's not G10, that's African Blackwood. Okay, you know what I got to do. I got to get a cup of coffee and take a break, and then bring these up to 180. This will take the rest of the day. Okay. I have all of them sanded up to 180. Now they've got all the handles are shaped. Now it's just a matter of sanding out the previous grits scratches. So I like the African Blackwood spacers on the bird's eye maple. All right, that's a good start. Tomorrow I won't be here. My wife has to get a CAT scan because she's had cancer in the past, and they scan her lungs once a year. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy. There's 5 knives with a real good start towards a finished handle. I don't know. I may get out here tomorrow some. I don't know. I sure was wanting to ride my motorcycle today a little bit, but the weatherman lied. Big lie. Told big lie. Said it was going to be 70 and sunny. And hasn't happened yet. And it's almost too late. I'm going home.